Hello and happy Sunday. Welcome to my Zen place. Today I have another Etsy share. This is a digital by my daughter Jennifer, and her Etsy shop is OneidaBlue. She did a Woodland Serenity. It's vintage illustrations of nature's symphony. It's a big kit. I couldn't print it all. 97 pages. And there's tags, folders, birds, bees, you name it. A lot of background pages. It's a tall and skinny. So it's for tall and skinny. And she's working on something similar for landscape. Okay, so here we go. This is the cover to kind of give you an idea of what's in there. And then she has some like tea stained crumpled paper on a lot of the backgrounds. A lot of birds, a lot of butterflies. There's bees. So this is one of the bird pages. And she does have backgrounds that has lines in it, with or without lines. Here's another page. And these are very vibrant. I printed on I've been playing with this paper that my son got me. I first learned of this from my friend Carol at Free Spirit Arts. She showed it. It's Epson premium presentation paper. It's matte and it's double-sided. So I will try to remember to link this in the description for you. You only get 50 sheets. It's 8.5 by 11, so I'm really choosy on which items I print out with it. But the results are amazing. So, okay. So we have a cardinal. I think it's a beautiful kit. Blue jay. And there was a chickadee and then another bird. I'm not sure what that was. These birds here, I'm not sure what kind of birds these are, but I know these are chickadees. I love them. So, good variety. You could create for days and days and days with this kit. So that's the blue jay. And then we have a hummingbird. So pretty. And then, I don't know, I think this is an oriole. Beautiful. Just love it. And then we have butterflies in backgrounds. Like I said, I couldn't print everything, so I just did some highlights. And we have some bees. This is just an example of one of the backgrounds with no birds or anything like that. There's quite a few, and they're in different variations of colors, so a little bit for everybody. And then there's quite a few pages of tags with birds, without birds, just flowers. So we have some here, 3 here, and then you have the background here, and for the leftover paper you could stamp on it. And she has quite a few pocket pages, and she has them so that they're left or right. They're beautiful, and they matched the background pages. And then we have tickets, tabs, and labels. And there's other pages as well with just flowers. more labels. And again, she's got a good variety of everything to mix and match. I love her chunky little bumblebees. And I think she said there was 13 file folders. I only printed one. And this is another variation of a background. So, yeah, there's quite a few file folders. So it's beautiful. And then this is something different. These are roses with the background showing through. I was going to try to print this on vellum. I might do that just to see what it looks like. And then she has the butterflies with the background images in there too. I think this one's my favorite. And then she has 2 pages of words. And I love that there is a background in the words. And then another page of words. And then she had a spot here. She just put another tag there. So that is Woodland Serenity. And it is 97 pages. 97 pages. So there's a lot there. And that's OneidaBlue. And that's my daughter, Jennifer. So go check it out. All right. Take care. Hope you had an absolutely fabulous weekend. I know I did. All right. Bye.